Hi guys, and how are you? I hope you're having a good day so far. Today's episode is gonna be about Sarwa again, just to give you guys an update to see what's going on. Alright, so in case you're a busy man or woman or you just want to know what's going on, just crystal clear, I would just want to highlight that Sarwa is actually gaining me a little bit of money since last time I did an update for you guys to see that I lost 200 dirhams. So just in summary, if you're a busy man, I really respect your time. You can go and check my previous videos if you want to know what Sarwa is and what is it about. But if you just want to know an update and how's the profile and everything, just would like to highlight that I gained back 200 from the stock market because the stock market now is doing really good. So the amount of money that I lost, I brought it back in like 2 days, and even I got a little bit more. All right. So for those who still wants to stay and check my little bit of analysis, all right, so don't forget, guys, just to subscribe to support my channel. And now let's go to Sarwa again. As you see, guys, last time I did a video. If you check here, yeah, this is the profile update. I lost $200 and my account was showing 7,300 something. So my earnings dropped to 1,000. I think 1,100, I believe. And now I also deposit 200 to my account, which is gonna be 7,500. And now I just see the update from the stock market because the stock market was really doing good yesterday. This is today, so it's not actually doing that good or doing bad. It's flat, as you can see, guys. This is the ETFs that Sarwa is using, these first five, including the Bitcoin index. So as you can see, there's no gains. It's just almost flat. VTI is a little bit 0.29% up. The rest is still like flat. All right. If you can see also cryptocurrency is still also not giving us that great jumps, but still like in the past weeks it was doing great, and I'm also gaining some money in the cryptocurrency investment profile. So if you want to know my profile and if you want to know more about cryptocurrencies, also you can check my channel. I always post also about cryptocurrencies. So Sarwa, let's go to the performance to just understand what's going on. All right, this is the last week. I'm going to do last month, so you will see this beautiful curve, as you can see. So this drop down, this is when I lost my $200. It was easy, just like almost like 5 days. It was, the top high was like $7,552, and it was going down each day until it reached the bottom, which is was here 7,386. So almost $200 was lost in this period of time. So what do you do in this case? You don't panic. You don't get crazy. You don't say, "Oh my God, I lost some money. Oh my God, $200. I lost that amount in 1 week. I cannot get it back." No, you just stay calm and you put more money because now you have a discounted price in order to buy more shares. So this is the best opportunity, guys, to invest your money. Don't buy when the the stock market price is in the peak period. Don't buy here. You need to buy in the bottom. So let's go back to see. This is the VTI, the stock, the S&P 500 index. Like, it's not the actual index, but this is an ETF that goes follow the S&P 500 and some small cap companies, but they have the same graph, the same pattern. So you can see, guys, this is the growth of the US stock market. As you can see, guys, it doesn't go straight up. It's always has these small downturns. Like, there's small, and if you even zoom in, you will see that it's always go up and then has a downturn and then goes jump up, down, up, and then has like a bad week or month, and it can even take months down. But the overall direction of the stock market is always going up. It doesn't go down for a long time. And you can see this is the crisis that you can have. This is when the world is in chaos. There's some bad stuff. This is during the COVID. This is the start of the COVID. So you see, when the start of the pandemic, it went up all down here, and then it goes up like crazy. Look at these gains. So imagine if you you keep buying, as I tell you guys, to keep putting money in the stock market each month. So you keep buying and then it goes down, but you didn't stop here. You keep buying, 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 buying. This is where you get a lot of money because you have a stock going down and you're buying it in a very cheap price. So here, if you buy it in this zone, you will buy it with $170. If you buy it here in the bottom, it's $115. So it's like you save almost like $55. You save it very, very quick. Like imagine, like this is the start. It was in Feb, and this is the start of the rally, which start in the end of March, let's say April. So by this time, if you keep buying, you gain a lot of money because it went back straight after like two or no, it's actually not quickly. It was almost like 5 or 6 months, but you are back here. You made a lot of money from this jump, and now your money is also still growing until now. I am actually like maybe that's predicting that the stock market will have some small like retractions because it's been a long time since it's went up from this bottom. So I'm sure it's gonna have a bad days probably next month, probably the next year, because the stock market is not always going in an up direction like this. It's always had its own retraction. It always corrects itself. There is always something happening in the world that's gonna drop the stock market a little bit. All right, so this is exactly the moment when you start to put money into the stock market. All right, don't put it high because here you put small amounts, yes, but you're doing this constantly. Even if it's on top here, that doesn't mean you should not buy. You buy, but don't put a lot of money. Keep some cash aside because once it's go down, that's gonna be your best opportunity. You're gonna make more money if you buy here. All right. So that's the thing that I'm trying to tell you guys, and you can see, guys, I was playing in this area which was 7,000. I just reached 7,000 like by the beginning of this month, and now as you can see, guys, this is the end of the month and my profile is 7,700, which means that I put of course some money. As you can see, this is the first jump. I put some money here. I believe it's around 300. I believe I put 300 here, and here I put also 200. So I put some 500 as to be clear, but since the start to here, if you remove my 500, it's 7,733. So I gain almost 233 like net profit, which is amazing. I'm so happy about it. I made this amount of money in a very short time, which is just 1 month. It's not even a full month. We are in the 26th. Still have like 4 days or five left, but still I'm so happy to get this gain. So I'm giving you guys these updates just to show you that Sarwa is really an amazing company. They are doing great with the stock market. And even if you want to do this stuff like by yourself, trust me, you will not be committed to do it exactly like they are doing it. So I also show you guys in my previous video about my stock market trading. I trade also some stocks. This is just like to test myself and see how my trading skills will be good in the stock market. And if you watch this video, in conclusion, it was not really that good. I'm actually still down in my portfolio. So this is not something that I'm happy to see. But in the opposite side, Sarwa is doing great for me. So I'm really happy and excited to tell you guys to join this company. It's amazing, legit. And they even give you $50 to welcome you on board. So if you not yet a member, make sure to use my registration link. In that case, you will get the $50. If you not use my link, of course, you're not gonna get the $50. I'm gonna get some commission as well, which is $50 as well. But you will also get a free $50, which is a win-win situation. But you just start your account. You need some money to put there to start your investing journey. All right, so this is all, guys. I hope you like the video. I'm also really happy to give you guys updates just to show you what's going on, and from time to time I will try to give you guys more updates about Sarwa. If there is any news, if there is anything that's happening in the stock market, I will tell you guys what's going on. And that's it, guys. You can just go, I will go back and give you, this is the performance of the stocks that they put. And as you can see, guys, VWO was doing bad when I show you the last video, but now it's getting improved. It was 8%, minus 8%. Now it's only 5.4. All right. My cash, as you can see, when I put 200, they still didn't invest it, so it's still here as a cash amount. So I'm expecting they will buy some more shares for me by tomorrow or after tomorrow. I'll let you update it. And the rest is still doing good. Bitcoin is 1.6 plus. It's doing good as well. The US real estate is amazing. And also the VTI stocks is also doing great. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe just to support my channel and help in the YouTube algorithm. I am trying to help you guys as much as I can financially so you can get an insight on how to use the money that you really work hard to earn it and make more money for you. So that's the important thing. That's how you get wealthy. That's how the rich get richer and the poor stay poor always because they don't use their money. They just consume their money. They just buy stuff that they don't need. And that's what makes you always in a deficit period. Like you're always needed of money, always needing money. You go borrow money, whether from your bank, whether from your parents or your family or whatever. So don't fall into that cycle and always invest your money, guys, because that's how you build your wealth and become financially free. All right, so good people, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to hit the like button as well, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.